Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add in Excel. It's very simple. Once you have a sheet open and you have available Excel cells, let's assume that you want to do an addition and you want the output to appear in A1 of an Excel sheet. All you have to do is click at the top here. You'll see the formula bar. You press to get the equal sign, and then you just do your calculation. So for example, if you just go to 1 plus 10, and then you just press enter and it's going to do that addition for you. All right, so that's a simple thing. Now let's just assume that you have a few values that you want to add up. Then you can also do that as well. So for example, let's say we have a few values. Just do this very quickly here, some random numbers. Let's see, right, so we have 4 numbers here and we want to add these numbers up, right? So click on the column where you would like the result, for example, the cell that you would like the result, and in this case C1, and then you enter in here again, same equal sign, which means that you're going to do a calculation, and you can actually type in sum, open brackets, and here it says, as you notice, it's helping you out, it's giving you an idea. It says number 1 and number 2. So what you want to do is you want to choose where you want to start adding from. You just click on 1, for example, and because it's a range, because I want to add a few in a range, I can use the colon button, and then I can choose A4, which is going to be part of the range. And as you can see, it's already highlighted what's going to be added in blue, and I just close off that brackets. And there we have it. We have the addition right there. So guys, I hope that this helps you guys out. Please like and subscribe for more. If you have any more questions concerning Excel, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for viewing, and I'll see you guys again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.